a couple of things. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aislinn, back at it again with another video. So, as you can see by today's title, we are doing a juicy makeup haul. Most of it is from Sephora, but I do have a couple of drugstore items for you people that have been asking me to include some drugstore items. So, this is going to be, I think, a pretty long video, so I'm going to jump right into it. So if you guys want to see what I have purchased recently, then please just keep on watching. Let's go. So starting off, I'm going to talk about the drugstore stuff. So I repurchased my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I love this bronzer. It's amazing. It is probably one of my favorite bronzers I've ever used, actually. And the smell of this is bomb. I'm going to try to link the prices of everything in the screen somewhere. Or link it down below. But anyways, yes, this bronzer, so good. So next I got a couple of things that I haven't tried before. So I've heard amazing things about these items. These are the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powders. And I got 2 of them. So there's a new shade that's 333B Golden Flower Crown. And they look like this. They're actually really cute. Like, the packaging is just really nice, sleek, simple. The highlighter pan's actually huge. Like, how many grams are in this? 5.4 grams. And then I got Precious Petals, which is the one that everyone always talked about. And these were like $7 or something like that, which is like so cheap. And then I got 2 of the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lip Colors. And I just got 2 nude shades. So I got the shades 05, which is Loyalist, and 65, which is Seductress. So I just got 2 pretty neutral nudes. They're not open yet. Should I swatch them? So that is the shade 05 Loyalist. And then this one is the shade 65 Seductress. So both are super pretty, like nudie. One's more pinky, one's more brown, but right up my street. So I'm super excited to try these and let you guys know what those are like. I've just heard amazing things, so I thought I would try them. Moving on to the fun stuff. So I'll start with another like lower price point items. So I actually got super pumped when I saw that Morphe was being carried on Sephora finally. So I got a couple of things. I actually purchased every single brush that I didn't already have that was on the website, which was all of them except one, I believe. I already had the foundation brush that was on there. I used these, sorry. But yeah, so I purchased 5 different brushes. So I got the Morphe M510, the M433, the M441, the M432, and the M167. So a huge array of brushes, variety and array. Wow, I'm starting a new trend, that's it. Anyways, so I was mainly super excited to try the M433 and the M510 because these ones are very highly talked about on YouTube. This one is actually a really nice highlighter brush, apparently, and I've actually used this brush in my last tutorial, and it's really nice. I use a lot of brushes from this collection in my last tutorial, so if you want to see that, I will link that somewhere on the screen or down below so you can check out how these babies work. I also got the infamous Highlight and Contour Beauty Sponge from Morphe. Have not had a chance to try this out yet. Super excited to though. I will let you guys know. I will do a tutorial actually. I might film tomorrow, so I will use this in a tutorial and use it on camera so you guys can see what it looks like. The next thing I got, another infamous product, is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I believe this is like the Prep and Set or whatever the hell it is called. I don't know, but it's the one that's just like, yeah, we see like James Charles, Jaclyn Hill, Jeffree Star, like all them using this. Jaclyn Hill is obsessed with this. Pretty much the reason why I bought it, and I actually love it. I've used it a few times, and I like the spray of it. Like I don't like the ones that you have to like pump a lot, so I like that this isn't an aerosol. And I also really like the scent of it because it's just fresh. Then I got the Morphe blush palette, and this is the 8W. So they have 2. This is the warm one. Guys, this one is so dirty because I have been obsessed with this. I've been using this like every single day for the past like 2 weeks since I got it. This is what the packaging looked like. I've literally used every single one of these shades. They're amazing. I've used this one, and I've also used this one as a highlighter, and it is stunning. I love this blush palette, and once again, super cheap. My all-time favorite concealer at the moment, I had to buy 2 because I'm obsessed. I also have it in another shade, but the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Woo! This is bomb, okay? I can't even explain it. I'm wearing it right now. I've been wearing it every single day since I got it, like, how long ago did I get it? Maybe like 3 weeks ago, and I'm obsessed. I actually wear this as a foundation sometimes. I'm in love with this. So I have the shades Almond, Nude, and then I also have the shade Natural Beige, I believe, for when I'm more tan. But this has 15 mils in it, which is double the size of your average concealer. The price is only 36 Canadian dollars. So, boy, 36. That's $1 cheaper than the NARS one, and you're getting double the product. This is basically like Shape Tape, but hydrating. So if you're dry, this is for you, my loves. Obsessed. So this is out of the box already because I'm literally wearing it right now, and I've been obsessed with wearing it ever since I got like a little trial size of it. If you guys look in like my like natural glowy whatever face routine, this is in it. This is like my perfect gloss. So this is the Buxom Full On Lip Cream in the shade White Russian. This is so beautiful. I literally have it on right now. It's my favorite gloss of all time. It smells amazing, and it gives you like a little bit of like a tingle on your lips. I'm obsessed with it. And it's also not sticky at all, so that's the #1 reason why I love it. I got the Lotus Youth Preserve face cream from Fresh. This is my all-time favorite moisturizer. It just smells like cucumbers. It's really hydrating, very refreshing. I love the texture of it. It's 50 mils, which is the average size of a moisturizer, and it's not like super expensive. I don't know, I'm just like really diehard like a fan of Fresh. I like all of their scents, and like, I don't know, I like it. It's nice. So this is what the moisturizer looks like. It's super nice, sleek, like matte packaging. I love it. I've used it a couple times, as you can see, but yeah, I love it. I got the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in the shade Luminous Bronze Light, and this bad boy is the best bronzer ever in the whole planet. I have used it a couple times already, but the packaging is just beautiful. It's so sleek, it's stunning. And then on the inside it looks like this, so it doesn't really even look like a bronzer, but when you put this on, you get like the most glowy, beautiful finish ever. Now this is really good for my skin tone. They have 3 other shades. There's a Radiant Bronze Light, which I am going to be purchasing, but it's just out of stock right now. That's better for like when I'm a little bit more tan, but this is good for my skin tone right about now. Staying on the topic of bronzing, I decided to splurge, if you will. I won't really say this is a splurge because it's not super expensive, but it's expensive for what it is, I think. So I got the Vita Liberata Advanced Organics Body Blur. This is the HD Skin Finish. So this is in the shade Latte. So basically what this does is you put it on and it acts as like a body bronzer and just like smooths your skin. I guess it's like Facetune for your friggin' body. So yeah, sign me up. This is a little bit pricey for like a body bronzer, but it is phenomenal from what I've heard. Actually, I think Jaclyn Hill just talked about this. I feel like I'm just like mentioning Jaclyn Hill every time in this video, but anyways. And I believe in this they have like 2 or 3 different shades, so you can like do lighter, this one, or like a little bit darker. I don't know. If I like this one, I'll probably get all 3 because why not? So the next thing that I got, I'm actually super excited about this. So Makeup Forever does holiday sets a lot, and this year they did the cutest little set. So this is the Makeup Forever Glitter Dust set, and it looks like this. It is so cute and pretty and sparkly. Oh my god, like how cute is that? So it comes with 2 Starlit powders and 2 Starlit glitters, which look like this. I'm going to be doing a tutorial using these very soon. So it just like slides out like this. How cute. And opens up like so. Okay, so I got the Starlit powder in 06, Starlit powder in 12, the Starlit glitter in S111, and the Starlit glitter in S806. So yeah, super excited. So the next thing I got is super hyped up, and I got this the second day it launched, I believe. I got my hands on the Huda Beauty Nude palette. Now, mamas, this palette is so stunning. I have not even used this yet on myself, and I have been waiting to have a chance to actually do it. So I think if I film tomorrow, I'm going to use this palette, but the packaging is just stunning. And on the inside you get her beautiful friggin' face, because like stun. And then you also do get a mirror, which is beautiful, and the colors are just phenom. So a lot of people don't know that this is actually a concealer in the bottom right down here, and then they have like 2 like pressed glitters, and then the rest are just like this most beautiful formula ever. So I am so excited to actually put this on my eyeballs and try it out, but I have had no time or nowhere to go. So tomorrow is gonna be the day, I think. Now the next things that I got are a little bit of pricey items, I would say. So I decided that whenever I freelance, I don't want to have to use like my old dingy brushes. I want like a good brush set. So I decided to splurge and get the Sephora Collection Pro Essentials brush set, and this is the rose gold edition. 12 brushes in it, and then it comes with this cute little like stand, but like the case is like rose gold and like super cute. Next thing that I got is my all-time favorite fragrance in the entire world. Every time I wear this fragrance, I get at least 2 compliments, at least. No matter where I go, grocery store, gas station, freaking anywhere, work, the bathroom, I don't know, whatever, I get compliments. This is the Comptoir Sud Pacifique Vanille Extreme fragrance. This is my hidden gem. You're welcome, everyone, that I'm gonna put onto this, because I've talked about this in one of my videos before, and I feel like still people are like really low-key about it. You can actually see if you look behind me right there, there's a bottle right there. It's empty, it's empty. So I decided to purchase a new one. I'm obsessed with this fragrance. It's like hidden down on the bottom shelves at Sephora. No one ever picks it up because it's like the ugliest bottle ever. It's like super plain. But this fragrance smells literally like a cupcake. Like if I put this on, it smells so good. Like I smell edible. Like if I put something on and I smell like food, chances are I love it. So like if you want a good fragrance and you like smelling sweet, you'll love this fragrance. I'm obsessed. I decided that I wanted to get a blow dryer about 6 months ago because I really needed one. So I saw this set on Sephora online and I said, I need to have this because it's such a good deal. It is called the Drybar Big Crushing Smoothing and Styling Bundle. This is a hefty $380, but the value of this set is just unreal. So you're gonna see all the things that you get. So I believe, if I'm correct, this is over a $600 value for what you're getting in here. So obviously, first things first, it comes with a blow dryer, and this blow dryer is so cute. It matches my straightener from them. Adorable. So this is called the Buttercup blow dryer. This is the ultimate drying tool. It is so cute. I just love it. I believe it comes with 2 attachments to it. So yeah, this blow dryer alone is $245, and I got everything that I'm about to show you in this kit for $380. Excuse me? Yeah, you heard me. You heard me right. So it does come with 2. Yep, awesome. I'm a great YouTuber. Cool. I just give up. It comes with 2 detachments, as you can see right there in the top right. But yeah, so I cannot wait to actually use this. I've been waiting and not using this so that I could literally put it in this haul. But now, oh child, I'm using the shit out of this. My old blow dryer is literally something that I swear to God my Nana took from a hotel in like 1925. Just kidding. Nana, don't kill me. She wasn't even born then. But anyways, and it's like a travel size. It's so small. Like, I'm just gonna show you guys. It's really embarrassing. This is literally what I've been using for the past like 3 years. What am I doing? Like what? It even like folds up. What is this? And the next thing that comes in this set is another tool. Yes, another tool, which retails by itself at $200. So right there, if you were to buy the blow dryer and this, you would already be at $425 just for these 2 items. And I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more items. Are you sold yet? I know you're probably clicking off this video to go purchase it, but don't click off yet. Trust me, it'll be there. I hope. I promise. Or like open another tab. Do it at the same time. So the next thing that comes in this is the Brush Crush. So this is a heating straightening brush, and I've always wanted to try one of these. I feel like Amika has one of these, but this came in the set, so I was like, why the hell not? Instead of paying $200 to try it. So usually I'm really skeptical of these things, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, it just looks like that. Looks super cute. I just love the bright yellow theme, and from what I see, it goes up to 450 degrees. But yeah, oh, I forgot to mention about the blow dryer. The cool thing about this blow dryer is, number one, it's really, really light. It has 3 temperatures and 2 speeds, and also a cool shot button. The ionic technology uses power of negative ions to seal cuticles, which conditions and adds shine and prevents the frizzies. That's the number one reason why I was like super excited to get this blow dryer, because I don't want the frizzies when I blow dry my hair. So the next things that it comes with are these 6 self-grip rollers. They're called the high tops, and they're just like plain rollers that you would see. But the one thing that happened with my order was they sent me 2. One's only supposed to come with 1, and then I was supposed to get a round brush with it that retails for $50, and I didn't get it. So long story short, after like 3 emails to their customer service and 2 different phone calls, they are sending me just the brush by itself. Thank you, bless up. So I will be receiving that because it shipped out today. So like, I literally just called them today, it shipped out today. So I should be getting it either tomorrow or the next day, which is awesome. So super excited about that because I was super frustrated that I didn't get it. So anyways, yeah, got 2 of these when you're only supposed to get 1, so ignore that. Everything's fine. So the next things that I got are the Drybar Detox Dry Shampoo. Now, you either love the scent or you hate it. I love it, and I actually really love this dry shampoo. This is super amazing. I love this dry shampoo. I'm blonde, so it really doesn't affect me with the color of it. If you are brunette, they do have a brunette version, but so excited about that. Next, I got the Hot Toddy, which protects your hair up to 450 degrees, which is awesome because all of their tools go to 450. So it's a lightweight spray that protects hair from heat styling with curling, straightening, and styling irons. I haven't smelled this yet. Yep. Oh, it kind of smells like raspberries. It smells like Drybar with like raspberry in it. Oh, that smells so good. So the next thing I got is the Pep Rally. So this is a prep and prime detangler. So it's formulated with biotin, vitamin B and D, and UV blockers. This lightweight pre-styler primes, detangles, and protects against heat. And it's also great style refresher. So you basically mist generously on wet or damp hair before styling, or use on dry hair to refresh your style. Cool. Pumped. I don't know, something about this kind of smells like a little bit minty. Okay, and the last thing that I got is the Southern Belle Volume Boosting Root Lifter. So this is an ultra plumping spray foam, and it targets the roots for an instant lift and volume. So you shake well, spray into the roots, and gently massage until foam disappears. And you use this on damp hair, and then you blow dry. I just want to smell it. Has like a weird smell. Like, it's good. It's kind of lemony. I didn't like it at first, but now it smells like lemony. It's pretty. But right there it even says like use on damp hair. Yeah, guys, so oh my god, I've been waiting to do this haul. This box has been sitting in the corner of my room for like 3 weeks now. So I'm super excited that I finally got to share everything with you guys. I hope that you enjoyed a haul that isn't clothing for once. And stay tuned for more videos coming up on my channel very shortly. I have a clothing haul, of course, to film very soon, and I'm going to do a couple of tutorials using some of this new stuff. So yeah, let me know if there's anything that you guys want to see. If you guys want to see any tutorials using any of the new like hair tools that I got, comment down below. Thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel, and I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And if you have, thank you for being part of the squad. We are now at over 6,000 subscribers, so thank you guys so much. Waiting to hit that 10, so share, and let all your friends know. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my videos when they go live on YouTube. That is all for now. Thank you guys again so much, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.